Let's say you're trying to recreate a sound on a hardware synth, but you literally don't know where to start. There are tools and techniques to help get you started. One tool is called Span, and it's a free spectrum analyzer that allows you to visualize the waveforms. This makes it much easier to dial in the settings on your hardware synth. In this example, we're going to recreate a sound which you actually have the Vital preset for, but the goal is to recreate it using our hardware synth so you can use it in a live performance setting without having to bring our laptop. We can just use our synth. Begin by loading the basic template of your synth. This should be a saw wave and it acts as a blank canvas so we can start building our sound from scratch. Next, we're going to switch this out for a pulse wave. We usually get to this by starting with a square wave and then adjusting the shape knob, or sometimes it's called pulse width, and I set this around 50%. Now notice that our sound has way more high frequencies than the sound that we're trying to model. We need to remove this by using a filter. The Vital preset has a filter envelope that makes it more percussive. To recreate this, set the decay to be really short and the sustain to be 0. This will create a quick snappy effect that's similar to the original sound. Turn up the resonance to create that nice character. Finally, we're going to fine tune the filter cutoff and envelope amount. On some synths like the Minilog XD, the filter envelope amount is called EG-int. EG-int stands for envelope generator intensity. So adjust your settings by comparing the sound visually in span and by air so you can get a close match to the sound. And for my bass sound, I'm going to modify it just to make a bit of a variation for our live performance. Bringing in oscillator 2 and I'm pitching it down an octave and setting this to a pulse wave as well. And if you want to see a deeper dive on how to use Span for sound design, visit my Patreon. We've got a video breaking down how we use it more in depth.